Oh my gosh, y'all. Jayco is giving us a whole brand new product line for 2025, and they really stepped it up to give us one of the most practical, compact campers that have bunk beds inside. Let me go show you what I mean. Let's go take a look. Welcome back to another video, y'all. If you're new here, my name is Myles with Firmly Unbound, and we are getting a first look at the brand new 2025 Jayco Jay Feather Air. So this is a new product line for 2025 with this Jay Feather Air lineup, and I'm really excited to show it to y'all. This floor plan that we're looking at here in particular is their 18 MBH, so you will be able to see the floor plan layout and the specs on the screen. And if you are new here, I am here at Jayco's homecoming event taking a look at this. So this is the first time ever that we are getting a look at the new 2025 Jayco Jay Feather Air. Very excited to show y'all. And if you are interested in this RV, there's a link down below in the comments and description of this video where you can find all of the different Blue Compass RV dealership locations across the United States where we sell Jayco products. So you can find this exact camper here as soon as they become available, or find something similar to it at one of our stores across the US. So as we go into this, we can see this being a new product line. So we are getting an 8-foot wide single axle travel trailer. Now you have to understand, a lot of single axle travel trailers out there in the market are only 7 feet wide. So that extra foot of width really makes a big difference. Same overall construction as the Jay Feather that we see from Jayco. You have Goodyear Endurance tires with self-adjusting brakes. Envision appliance packages include an 11 cubic foot refrigerator, so you'll see that inside. And then you have a stainless steel kitchen and bath sink. So getting really good quality products in a very low level, essentially low level travel trailer, but it doesn't feel like that at all. So I think this is going to compete really well with a lot of other products that are like low tier, entry level, inexpensive single axle travel trailers, giving you a lot more bang for your buck right around the similar price range for maybe just $1,000 or $2,000 more. I don't know where the price range will break down exactly, but it's probably going to be somewhere around like the mid 20,000, maybe like 26, something like that would be my guess around the price on here. So as we go inside, again, single axle Goodyear tires, you can see the 4 floor plan layouts that they are going to have for the Jay Feather Air, and we are looking at the bottom right one, the 18 MBH. So you can see those there, what floor plan options will be available. And you can really feel the space in here. As we look at the specs, this is only 23 feet long, so very compact. And then the dry weight on this with the propane bottles full is going to be 4,492 pounds, and then a cargo carrying capacity of 1,158 pounds. So that is going to get you a little bit over 5,500 pounds for a gross vehicle weight rating, which is really impressive, going to make this towable by a lot of different vehicles. Even something like this possibly might be manageable if you're towing on flat terrain with like a Tacoma or a Chevy Colorado or something like that, as long as you have a V6 engine. Now, right away when you walk in, you can see you have this Murphy-style bed. They're even giving you these table trays here. So kind of like this, it's interesting. I was thinking about this, and I haven't seen TV trays in a long time, but I think every home in the early 2000s had these in their house because they just made sense. So you now have these TV trays, and when you don't need them, they do just fold up and store underneath the sofa right there. So you can get those out of the way when you don't need them, and you have them when you do want them. Then you can really feel this 8-foot width in this camper. Really makes a big difference. Ton of floor space in here. There is a small slide out here, and that small slide out where your stove and the refrigerator sits opens up this floor space beautifully. And then they gave you the 3 bar stools here on your campsite with the storage underneath the bar stools and flip up storage here that is strut assisted for some little hidden space down underneath there. You could fit some or store some, hidden items underneath there as well. You have a TV installed in here. Can easily see this TV from sitting anywhere in the camper, unless maybe you're sitting on this furthest bar stool, then you're gonna have to look up pretty aggressively. But other than that, you can see it from just about everywhere. And then for the size of this travel trailer, the amount of storage is pretty dang good. You can see all the storage here in the kitchen space, but then it does extend along back to here, so you can see all the storage space there. But let me start with showing you the bed configurations and how this is going to operate, because this is going to be one of the things that'll take probably the most time to show. So let me just knock this out real quick. We're just going to slide these trays out of the way. Like I said, they do fold up and can store underneath this sofa. They will just slide right underneath it. You do have 2 drawers underneath here. So let me show you this. You can see if I pan that camera down. 2 drawers here. Look at how big those open up. So nice storage there. Get you back up a little bit higher here. And then we are going to, first of all, sit on this cushion. It is a cloth material now, no pleather. So we're seeing that almost across the board with Jayco. I really actually like that and enjoy this. So you let me know your thoughts on that. Cup holders here with the armrest. And then this is a jackknife style sofa. We'll just lay down flat so easily. 1 latch to release this bed. And the bed will come down like so. And boom, you're ready to sleep. And this already has a pretty nice, feeling material on it. Most people will probably still put a thin sheet on it and stuff like that, but you can see I am 6'2" and my feet do not hang off. So I would say this is probably about a 74, 75 inch long bed. And then you have a couple other goodies around the bed. So let me show you what they did here, because they have got rid of a lot of the, they got rid of this, wardrobe storage and a lot of their Jay feathers that went all the way down to here, and they opened up this space to give you a different nightstand arrangement. You can see your outlet right there, and then you have this opening hidden storage right there, plus a wireless charging pad that does pop up and have USB ports inside the side there. You got this blue LED light, so it lights up the space blue. Kind of cool. You can let me know your thoughts on that. And then of course you have right here your storage on both sides of the bed for clothes. You also have a vent fan up over the space so you can vent air out right here, and you have a coat hook right here as you walk in and out of the travel trailer. Now, so easy to put this back up because this latch literally just latches in place on its own. You don't even have to do anything. I can do all of this with one hand here and get this complete configuration back in a matter of seconds. So easy to get set up for sleeping and get set back up for the day. Get your bed out of the way so people have a spot to sit while you are camping. And then as we turn around this way, you can see we're right back to how we started when we walked in. So now let's go through some of the storage. This is your new 11 cubic foot refrigerator. You can see how big that refrigerator space is. Definitely prioritizing the space for the refrigerator. Then you have your freezer there. Underneath here, pull-out drawer. Like that the bottom of these are white, so it has a more clean look, more finished off look. Standard RV size microwave, sitting nice and low so you don't drop anything pulling it out of there. North to south facing 2-burner stove. Not a terrible amount of countertop space in here, but I think most people with a camper like this will probably do a lot of their cooking outside on the fire or with some sort of outside griddle or grill, I would imagine. I'd certainly think that's what I would do as long as the weather permits me doing so in a travel trailer like this. Then along this way, you have all of your heat running through underneath the cabinetry, so no heat registers on the floor in this travel trailer. Storage space under the sink, and then you have a stainless steel sink here in the kitchen. You can see how that pops up there. Now they configured it this way to give you extra countertop space when you don't need the sink. Storage space up through here, and then you have your standard features and options, which you can go ahead and pause the video if you want to take a second to read through all of the different things that come standard and that you can get as an option on these new Jay Feather Airs. You have cargo net storage underneath here. It's kind of like bungee cord storage actually underneath there. You have more storage here, so nice big storage space. These shelves are removable if you want to take that shelf out. 4 drawers that pull out here, the larger one being these. So you can actually put pots and pans in here if you would like. More shallow storage there, and then storage through here. And these are all, okay, these are like, I was trying to see if this is a wrapped wood or a solid hardwood cabinetry. It's hard to tell. That looks like this might be a solid wood. It feels like a solid wood. It feels really nice and really good quality. I'm just trying to make sure I don't misspeak on that, but man, really impressed with that. That feels really nice. I think that's got to be solid wood. Outlets, USB ports right here. It does have the USB Type-C connection. This TV does swivel around, and you have a little storage cubby back behind it there. And then as you go to the bunk room or bunk beds, these are about 6 foot long bunks. You have privacy curtains on both bunk beds. You have windows on both bunk beds. And then back through here, you can see you have outlets and netting there for storage. So good comfortable space for some kids to sleep. Even a grown adult could sleep in those. And then going back to the bathroom, one of the best bathroom spaces you will see in a travel trailer this size. It is utilizing a plastic foot flush toilet to save some weight as opposed to a porcelain foot flush toilet. But you can see all your storage space in here, and the ceiling height in this travel trailer, y'all, is just dang impressive. So I'm gonna flip the camera around, and I'm 6'2". And you can see as I walk around through here, this ceiling has got to be at least 6'6", maybe 6'7". On my tiptoes, my head does not touch the ceiling, so that is really, really nice. And as I go into the shower, finding a shower that fits like this in this size travel trailer for me is very hard to find. So I am thrilled to know that the shower height in here in the skylight is got to be at least 6'5". I mean, that is, it's probably about 6'5" max. That is really impressive. You can see all the room I have to move around in here. They did position the shower head rather low. I would have preferred that to come up high as it could, but they didn't do that. So that's unfortunate, but okay. But the room to move around in here, just second to none in this size travel trailer. It really is. Sliding curtain there. And then you have a plastic 2-piece shower with your shelving here for different soaps and things like that. So really, really impressed with the size of that shower. You have a standard vent fan in this bathroom. So you can see right there. Spot for your toilet paper up high here. Or sorry, I guess it's gonna be more for paper towels because your paper towel or your toilet paper roll is right there. You have a hook here for some towels. Medicine cabinet storage, stainless steel sink here in the bathroom. A lot of travel trailers in this size range and price range will have plastic sinks, and then you have storage space down underneath there. So that is everything on the inside, y'all. Very curious your thoughts and what you think. Again, I think they just knocked it out the park with this thing for the size camper that it is. This is very, very impressive. You can tow this with so many different vehicles, and I think this is going to fulfill a great amount of people's needs that they're looking for in a travel trailer this size. So you let me know what you think. You have your controls here for slide outs, awnings, tankless on-demand water heater, things like that. Solid entry step walking in and out the camper. You have your storage space through here. It is prepped to add side cameras. See that passes all the way through. You have the Lippert quick drop stabilizers. Now these are about the most stable stabilizers I have ever felt. They make this thing really, really steady, and you can connect a drill right here to shoot those down way faster than you could any electric stabilizers. So love that they installed those there. Fully enclosed underbelly, all your water tanks and water lines sit above the enclosed underbelly. You can see your spare tire underneath there. In addition to that, whenever your furnace is on, that will keep your water lines from freezing. Power tongue jack, 20-pound propane bottles. And then as we come around this way, you can see your lights up here, some cool accessory lights, gives it a nice clean look. Storage space through here, your slide out, 30 amp power connection, tankless on-demand water heater, more storage back here underneath the bunk. So you have some storage space there. And then along the back, outdoor shower accessory hitch right here, so you can put up to 250 pounds on there. You have prep to add a backup camera, and then let me climb up on the roof here. Let's see what's going on up here. You can see you have a 200-watt solar panel on the roof of this travel trailer, and everything on the roof looking pretty dang good. So that solar panel will make sure your batteries stay charged while you are out camping or while your RV is in storage. You have brake and reverse lights on your back lights here, and then your awning covers pretty much the entire length of this travel trailer. You can put a TV outside here if you would like. And that's just about it, y'all. So again, new floor plan for 2025. Very curious your thoughts. Let me know down below in the comments what you like and what you don't like. And if you are interested in this travel trailer RV, it should be coming available very soon. And the link down below in the comments and description of this video will take you to our Blue Compass website, where you can find all of the different stores across the United States within Blue Compass that sell Jayco products. We have over 100 different stores in 33 different states, so check that out. We're here to help when you're ready, and until next time, live firmly unbound.